Okay, here's part 2 of your review for your test this week. So we're just on the second page of the review. So it says the volume of a rectangular prism is found by the formula V equals LWH. So length times width times height. Okay, solve the equation for L. So this is where we're at. We're V equals LWH. Okay, now these are all multiplying and we are wanting to solve for L. So we want to do the opposite of multiplying, which is divide, okay, by everything but L. Okay, these cancel out. So my answer is L equals V, which is volume, divided by width and height. Okay, so super easy. It's just a lot of letters. Okay, this one we're going to solve for A. So these are our literal equations. Remember, they have multiple letters. Okay, A and M are next to each other, so we're going to do the opposite and divide. Divide by M, divide by M. Okay, that's all we had to move to solve for A. So A equals N divided by M plus P divided by M. Okay, you could also write this like this. A equals N plus P divided by M. Either one is perfectly fine. Okay, looking at number 10. So this is where we're solving our y. So remember, this is our two-step process. Number 1, move our x's. Number 2, divide by number in front of y's. Okay, those are our 2 steps. So first, move our x's. Positive 12x, so I'm going to subtract 12x. Subtract 12x. And I wrote that up there next to that 8 because they cannot combine together. So it's just going to be an equation. I'm going to divide by the number in front of my y. This time it's a -4, so make sure you're dividing by a negative. Okay, 8 divided by -4 is -2. -12 divided by -4 is positive 3x. Remember, you must put that x on the end or it is wrong. Okay, put that x. Same with this one. Move my x's. So we've got a -16x because it was plus. Divide by the number in front of my y. So we're dividing by 12. Okay, remember everything on that side gets divided by 12. So we've got y equals 3 divided by 12 is 0.25. Okay, you could have also put a fourth. -16 divided by 12 is negative. You could leave it as 16 over 12, or you can put 4 over 3, okay, x, because it's going to give you a really awful decimal. Okay, you could have also left that first one as 3 over 12. That would have been perfectly fine. Okay. Now, last little part. This is our definitions. Okay, we went over this one day in our notes, but we're just kind of like labeling everything. So it says write the definition for the vocab words. Okay, also identify the term that matches to the definition. So we're looking over here. Okay, your coefficient is your number in front. Number in front. So this right here is your coefficient. Okay. Then we've got 18 is our variable, so that's our letter. Here is our variable. Exponent is my small number. So this right here, this is my exponent. And a term is the group. Okay, so in this case, this whole thing is the term. Okay, and then your last definition that you needed was literal equation, and that's just an equation with 2 or more variables. Okay, if you have any questions, pop into office hours and I will help you out.